Want to share what you're currently listening to on Spotify with your friends? Now you can on Instagram Notes. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to share Listening Now on Spotify on Instagram Notes. Now let's get started. To share what you're currently playing on Spotify to Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right corner. Then tap Your Note. Tap the music icon. At the bottom, select Link Spotify. This will open the Spotify app on your device. Authorize Instagram to connect to your Spotify account. Instagram will automatically reopen to the Music tab. Tap the arrow in the bottom right corner. A new note that says Start Playing with the Spotify logo will be drafted. If you like, you can type in a note to go along with your shared music. Choose whether you want to share it with followers who you follow back or your close friends. Then tap Share. Open your Spotify app and begin playing whatever music you like. Your Instagram note will automatically update with whatever song you're listening to. As you change what you're listening to, the note will continuously update along with it. It will be updated for up to 24 hours after you begin sharing, or until 30 minutes after you stop playing music on Spotify. If your friends tap your note, they can hear a sample of the song you're listening to. If you want to stop sharing before your note expires, you can tap Stop Sharing from Spotify. That's all it takes to share what you're currently listening to on Spotify on Instagram Notes. If you like this feature, check out our video on how to post video notes on Instagram next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.